Hi friends, good evening. This is Tomal here. In today's session in PRPCUMP, we are going to give you a demo on formatting a cell. Suppose you have written something over here, okay, and in this cell you have given particular numbers. So in this cell I am giving this particular number. The thing which I want to show you is that all this thing beside this one, this is left and this is right align, otherwise almost these are same. But if you click on format cells, select a cell, click on format cells, then let it come. Yeah, it comes. See, these are the proper things in number, format cells, number, category, general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific text, special. These are the special things that if you like, if I put this date format and particular format is chosen, then on clicking on OK, in that cell that particular format will come. And similarly for this one, similarly for this one, if I say that two decimal percentage to decimal places and click on OK, now see 23 I have written, it's come. It's not that I have written 23.00, 23 or 234, 23. But in this cell, if I say, see the difference. Okay, so this is about the formatting of cell. You need to click on that particular cell, go to format cell, and according to your wish you can select from this category. So this is all about the formatting of cell. This is Samadas representing PRCUMP. Official website is prccump.org.in. My number is 8420879158 and email is customer6@gmail.com. Thank you for being with us and stay there.